Start, go.
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. Nowadays, most people use the internet, and some people say using the internet is bad. But I think it is necessary, because there are many good benefits. Today, I will tell you why using the internet is good. First, it is convenient. For example, when you research something for doing homework, internet makes us do it easier. You spend a lot of time to research in the library, but internet is very active. It gives us to research much more information faster. Second, when you use the internet, we are able to communicate with various people. These days, most people use SNS. Through SNS, you can meet several people and talk to them on different subjects, and they can be friends. By chatting, people even make friendship. Lastly, using the internet offers huge entertainment. People may play different games online or download them, video chat, or simply watching interesting sites in web, and most of them are free. People listen to their favorite music or learn more about their hobbies. In conclusion, it is difficult to live without internet. Using the internet has many advantages. Internet is our best friend. Thank you for listening.
Start, go.
Hello everyone, my name is Billy. Recently, there are so many people which use the internet because internet is very useful. So I think using the internet is good for people. Now I will introduce 3 reasons. First, we can save time through the internet. If we want to buy something, we go to the shopping mall. But people don't need enough time to shopping at the mall. These days, internet makes them not to go to the shopping mall. Internet shopping is very convenient to order anything. And we can also reserve movie tickets through the internet. It means we don't have to stand in line. Second, we can communicate with people. We use social network service such as Facebook and Twitter. In the SNS, people communicate with different types of people, and we share many ideas with each other. Lastly, we have entertainment while using the internet. We play games and download contents like free movies, webtoons, and funny videos. It gives delight to us, so we enjoy and even feel exciting and joyful on using the internet. In my opinion, there are many benefits to use the internet. We enjoy using the internet. It is very convenient and useful. Thank you for listening.
Start, go.
Hello everyone, my name is Alex. Nowadays, internet is necessary for human life, and most people use it every day. But it also makes a lot of problems. Today, I want to tell you 3 serious problems. First, we spend so much time using the internet. Especially teenagers need more time to do exercise and play activities with their friends. But using the internet is a little bit, and it can damage their health. Second, it brings game addicted. Most people can't stop using the internet when they immerse in computer games. It affects people to play games all day long, and they may be exposed to violent games or adult games through the internet. Unfortunately, it makes people not be healthy mentally. Third, using the internet is wasting money. Recently, many people use online shopping malls because they can buy anything with one click. But this is a trap. It can encourage overspending. People spend more money to buy something that they do not want. I think it is useless. In my conclusion, there are many disadvantages to use the internet. Therefore, we should use the internet properly. Thanks for listening.